It's very easy to say that why haven't I gone? They are
No, but
the
but
UP
tell me
Chief
one
Minister.
thing.
How do you
What
know
kind
what
of
she's
answer are you giving? We are
what action
talking
she's
about
taken?
Arunima.
Who she sent to
No, what
meet
kind
the
of
victim?
answer are
You are
you
just
giving?
sitting in
You are
Lucknow in a
absolutely
studio in
evading
your
the
house
question
and
of Arunima's
presuming
life.
that nothing has happened. And so is Mr. Michael Pereira saying,
You are
oh, it's a
not
barbaric state.
answering what
It's this,
UP
it's
government
that.
is going to
It's
do
very
for
easy to single
Arunima.
her out. Why? Why do you always blame the UP Chief Minister?
You are not.
You know
are
it
not
very well.
answering the
that
question
you know it very
about
well.
Arunima.
You know it very well. The railways are a subject of the central
Oh,
government,
for
of
God's
the government
sake,
of India.
don't say that again.
And the state government
look at
works in
this.
cooperation
Look
with
at
them.
this
But
audacity.
it is the
Sir,
decision that has to be taken by the
this
railway
bureaucracy.
ministry in the government of India.
No, Mr.
The UP Chief
Nawab
Minister
Kazim Ali.
is doing
Nawab
her best.
Kazim Ali, this
You are
is-
sitting here. I'm
is
sitting in a studio, and all these guests are sitting in their
Sir,
respective
everyone's in a
homes or in
studio.
the studios and presuming and throwing accusations.
One
No, she's
second.
not doing
You are also in
anything.
a
She's not
studio.
doing this.
One second.
How do you know
You
what
are
is
also
happening
in fact, you
down
are
there?
in a
One second.
studio
How do you know
where
what is
can't
happening
see
in
anything
Lucknow?
beyond.
What decisions the
Nawab Kazim Ali.
DG of UP
Arnab-
police is taking?
Nawab Kazim
What
Ali.
instructions have been
Kazim Ali
ordered by
sitting in
them?
a
1 minute.
You have no
studio.
idea.
1 minute. 1 minute. No, 1 second.
you know,
Don't
Nawab
say, no, 1
Kazim
second.
Ali
Don't say
is
we have no
sitting in a
idea.
studio,
Let me tell you, Nawab
Arnab,
Kazim Ali. Since you
let
are saying
me-
this tonight, I will say this straight to you tonight. Do not make me remind you of how we in the media, especially Times Now, had to remind your government sitting in Lucknow of what they had to do in the Banda rape victim case. Let me not remind you how many MLAs of yours were on the run, what the criminal records were. So don't say that you don't know because you're not sitting in Lucknow. That's a facile argument. Because those sitting in Lucknow don't care. That's why people outside Lucknow are also indignant about it. Yes,
How do
Ranjana
you
wanted to
presume they don't
respond.
care? According to you, they
No, I
don't
just
care.
wanted
How do you
to say
presume?
that we
How
are-
do you
Well,
presume that they
he
don't
doesn't
care?
Not
know.
one statement,
See,
not one
he
sentence,
is sitting
and
in
you're
a
saying we
studio.
care. Ranjana.
I think he's yeah.
So are
I
you.
think he's sitting in a studio which he doesn't see anything beyond that studio, and that is why he can make such an irresponsible statement. I think it is important for him to understand that here is a girl who was budding sports person, going to be a sports star perhaps tomorrow. Her one leg is amputed, her other leg is injured, her parents are suffering, and there is not a statement from UP. We are asking question about that. Don't
Exactly.
try to
If the
evade it. You
UP
try to go
government
and talk to
acted
your chief minister.
immediately
Take
to
responsibility.
four women
Can I say
who
something?
died
Responsibility,
in a remote
please.
village
Please
of
take
Rampur district.
responsibility. Go
Why
to
will
your
they
chief
not
minister,
react to
talk to
something
her.
like this? How can you presume?
Let me
They
tell
have
you.
not.
know that incident occurred?
No, 1 second.
Did
One
you
second.
know
Nawab
that
Nawab
incident
Kazim Ali.
involving four women
Nawab
occurred
Kazim
in
Ali.
Rampur? Do you know
Nawab
about
Kazim
that?
Ali. 1 minute. You are referring constantly. Now I'll say it directly. You are constantly referring to a case that has happened in your constituency. May you please look beyond your constituency,
Yes.
please? May I remind you, you're
Absolutely.
from Rampur.
Yes, that's
You're
what I'm
repeatedly
saying.
talking
I-
about
I
Rampur.
want to say
I'm asking you about
constituency
Bareilly.
When it happened.
I'm asking you
I
about Bareilly, not
cannot sit in
Rampur.
Rampur. I'm not God, you know, I'm not an angel that I
So I'm
sit in
saying
Rampur
look
and I
beyond
know
your
exactly what
constituency.
is happening all over India.
Yeah, so look
It
beyond
is
your
only through the
constituency.
media that I get to know this incident had occurred.
So think
You
of
can't
people.
expect me to know everything.
Think of people beyond your constituency. Think of people beyond your
You know,
constituency.
instead of
Think of their plight.
Arnab,
Michael.
instead of bristling with self-righteousness, let these guys look inwards. Let them look at the man in the mirror. Do you think all of us in this nation are a bunch of fools? Do you think we come to these opinions just lightheartedly? There has to be some reason for it. And UP has shown that it is barbaric. And there's nothing that I've seen so far that
Well,
can change my
UP
opinion.
does not need your endorsement. UP doesn't need your endorsement. at
Whether
all.
it needs
had
my
it.
endorsement or
You
not,
know,
I don't give a
instead
damn.
of showing the mirror,
I
if you
don't
want
give
to
a
show
damn.
the mirror,
Look-
you show the mirror to the government
You
of
guys
India.
look at yourself
what
in the
happened
mirror.
in the 2G scam?
Look at-
what happened in the Commonwealth Games scam. Show that mirror, and what
Look-
is happening now? Show the
No,
mirror
you
to the
don't
government
answer.
of
Look at
India.
yourselves in
Why
the
you
mirror, my dear
singling
sir.
out always? Why you always singling out a particular state?
Nobody's
and that
singling
to
out
UP.
anyone.
Because somehow you
Arnab-
have this phobia, you have this UP phobia that anything that happens in UP is wrong. Everything that
You haven't
happens in
answered
UP
my
is
question.
wrong. That's being very unfair.
Are you saying Arunima losing? 1 minute.
Arnav, I
1 minute.
think-
Are you saying Arunima losing her leg
No, I'm not saying that.
is right?
I started my
Are you saying
argument,
Mayawati
Arnav,
not
I
issuing a
started my
statement is
argument
right?
saying it was a very unfortunate incident. My sympathies, the sympathies of all the people are with
Nobody
the
needs your
victim.
sympathy.
I'm not saying that
No,
anything,
but
I mean, I'm not
people-
saying it was right. It was wrong. Any form of crime against women is wrong. And all the people on the panel here, they know for a fact that the crime against women in Delhi Union Territory,
Oh, come on, please,
Delhi
you know.
state is
No,
the
no, don't
highest
now
in
again
India.
go off track.
And here also the Chief Minister of Delhi is a lady.
Again, you're going off track. Two wrongs don't make a right. So that's the end
You
of
went
that
off
debate.
track by
understand.
saying what
Absolutely.
happened in Banda. Arnav, you went off
This
track by
represents
saying
the
what happened in
political
Banda
class
and what
of
happened
UP.
anywhere
How
else.
can you see anything right happening in UP?
My
This is the
question to you
political
is-
class of UP. He represents the political
Why can't
class
you see
of
anything
UP.
right
Look at
happening
the
in
people's
Delhi? Why can't you
representative
see anything
talking
right
off
happening
his
in
head.
India?
He's
What
just
about the
talking
other
off his
states?
head
You
to the
think they're all
nation.
clean?
He's
What is
not worried
happening?
about this
all
girl
other states
whose
in
leg
India,
is
they're clean?
imputed.
Not at
He's
all.
not worried
Not
about
at all.
no
But just because
compensation
you are in
being given.
Lucknow,
He's
for you
not
everything
worried
is
about
UP.
Mayawati not making any statement. But look at the way he's trying to evade every question
Nawab
and trying to
Kazim Ali.
bring in all kinds of irrelevant
Nawab Kazim Ali.
arguments. Why no statement has been made?
Nothing
Why
is
are you
irrelevant.
worried
Kazim
about
Ali.
It
this
is all in the
family, her
headlines.
future?
It's all on the front pages
Nawab
of
Kazim Ali.
newspapers every
Can I
single day.
please- can
It
I
is not
please-
irrelevant
I
at
think-
all.
Can I please?
I don't think you know the difference between relevance
can I
and
please
irrelevance.
come in as the anchor? Can I come
I'm
in?
shocked that you call all this irrelevant.
Can I come
you
in?
call
Nawab
2G
Kazim Ali.
irrelevant. You call Commonwealth Games scam irrelevant.
1 minute.
And all this Hawala money, you call that irrelevant.
Now, Nawab Kazim Ali.
Is
1
that
minute.
happening in
Ranjana,
UP?
1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute.
Ridiculous.
Ranjana, 1 minute. Nawab Kazim Ali. You know, 1
Cannot
minute. 1
say
minute, Nawab
that
Kazim Ali.
I
Now you have to
strongly
let me
object
speak.
to the fact
You
that
have
you
to let me
make the
speak.
statement saying that UP is a barbaric state. It is not.
You have, you
I
know
think
what,
Delhi
Nawab
is more of
Kazim
a
Ali.
barbaric state.
Now
You-
let me
you-
tell. 1
you're
minute.
showing-
1 minute. 1
you're
minute. 1 minute.
showing-
Now I will repeat again a simple question. If you choose to answer, if you choose not to answer and reel off statistics in turn, it's your choice. Is it right of Mayawati or wrong of Mayawati not to issue a
हाँ
one
सर, हम भी
sentence?
कुछ कहना चाह रहे हैं सर.
One sentence she has not spoken
जी,
so
sir.
far. Rahul wants
हम
to
कुछ
speak. Go
कहना
ahead,
चाह
Rahul.
रहे हैं सर,
बोलिए.
कृपया हमारी भी बात को सुनी जाए.
बोलिए.
हम आपकी बात पूरी तरीके से समझ नहीं पा रहे हैं सर,
बोलिए.
लेकिन हम भी अपनी बात कहना चाह रहे हैं सर.
जरूर कहिए.
हाँ सर, हम ये कहना चाह रहे थे सर कि ये एक दूसरे की जो गलतियां सर निकाली जा रही हैं, वो अपनी गलतियां छुपाए जा रहे हैं. वो अपनी यहाँ गलतियां छुपाने का और बताने की जरूरत सर शायद मैं महसूस नहीं कर रहा हूँ सर. इस समय ये चाहिए कि उसके लिए वो रास्ता बनाया जाए कि जो ये गलतियां हो ना और ना छुपाने की जरूरत पड़े सर.
बिल्कुल.
हमारा ये सोच है सर कि इसके बाद इस तरीके से व्यवस्था को मेंटेन किया जाए कि दोबारा इस स्थिति को पैदा होने के चांसेस ही ना रह जाएं. ना गलतियां होंगी, ना छुपाने की जरूरत होगी, ना ही सामने वाले की उस गलतियों को दर्शाने की जरूरत पड़ेगी सर. एक दूसरे की गलतियां छुपा के और बताने की जरूरत नहीं सर. कोशिश ये किया जाए कि ये ना गलतियां होने पाए और ना ही कोई ऐसी परेशानियां सामने आए जिनकी वजह से आम जनता या कोई भी हमारी बहन के जैसा कोई भी लड़की इस परेशानी के साथ फिर दोबारा जूझे सर. और जो भी हो चुका है सर वो तो हो ही चुका सर. अब इसके बाद तो कुछ नहीं इसका निष्कर्ष निकाला जा सकता. बस एक सामाजिक स्तर पर एक दूसरे को समझा के एक दूसरे को आश्वासन देने की बात है सर. और जहां तक रही बात ये कि हमारी सिस्टर की सर, तो वो तो अब दोबारा उस रूप में नहीं आ सकती है सर, चाहे उसके अवज में कुछ भी किया जाए सर. लेकिन एक मन का है कि आदमी संतुष्ट हो जाएगा. लेकिन हम जरूर ये चाहेंगे सर कि ये हादसा फिर अब दोबारा किसी दूसरे के साथ ना होने पाए. और हम हमेशा के लिए आप लोगों से निवेदन करेंगे, चाहे पत्रकारगण है या जो भी अधिकारीगण हैं, जो भी जिन पद पे हैं, उनसे मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा सर कि वो आइंदा के लिए ऐसी गलतियां, अगर इसको सुधारने से सुधारा जा सकता है तो फिर क्यों नहीं सुधारा जा रहा सर.
बिल्कुल.
अगर ये हालात में हमारे बस में है तो बिल्कुल हम ये चाहेंगे सर कि अगर हालात को ये माना जाता है कि अगर ऐसा किया गया होता तो ऐसा नहीं होता, तो हम जरूर चाहेंगे कि ऐसा किया जाए कि दोबारा ऐसा हालात किसी दूसरे के सामने पैदा ना हो. और तो जो सर हो गया है सो तो हो ही गया सर. इसके बाद और हम क्या कहें. और जो भी हमारे हालात हैं, और जैसे भी अभी हमको पता चला है सर कि उच्च अधिकारियों के द्वारा कि कोई एक आदेश कोई पारित हुआ है सर हमारी सिस्टर के नाम पे और नौकरी के लिए और कुछ ऐसा सर. लेकिन अभी तक कोई ऐसा कागजी में हमारे पास नहीं है सर. और हम इसके बाद कहाँ पे सर ये कहने जाएंगे कि ऐसा आदेश हुआ था, ऐसा कौन सा हमारे पास कागज है सर कि जिसको लेके हम सर कहाँ जाएंगे सर. ये हम जानकारी चाहेंगे सर आपसे कि इसके विषय में आप हमसे क्या कहना चाहेंगे सर कि अब कहाँ पे हम जाएं सर.
हम आपसे सिर्फ
जी
ये
सर.
कहना चाहेंगे कि आपको एक आश्वासन
जी
दिया
सर.
गया है, आपके पास कागज अभी
जी
आई
सर,
नहीं
जी.
है, और हम आपको यह कहना
जी, जी,
चाहेंगे
नहीं सर.
कि अगर कोई अधिकारी ये समझे कि सिर्फ आश्वासन देके छोड़ा जाए और कुछ ना करे, तो
जी.
मैं आपको पूरी कमिटमेंट
जी.
देता हूं कि हम इस बात को
जी।
उच्च से उच्च अधिकारी और
जी।
पॉलिटिशियन के पास लेकर ये जरूर देखेंगे कि जो
जी।
आपको आश्वासन मिला है
जी।
उस पर कार्रवाई हो,
जी।
वो पूरा हो। राहुल, हम सब आपके साथ हैं एंड इस चैनल आपको आश्वासन
अगर-
देता है कि आप इस चैनल में आके आपने
जी।
आज की अपनी दिल की बात जो यू स्पोक फ्रॉम द हार्ट टुडे, वी विल फॉलो अप विथ यू एंड वी विल कंटिन्यू टू स्टैंड
जी,
विथ
सर।
यू एंड योर सिस्टर। आपके बहन, आपके फैमिली के साथ
जी।
आप अकेले नहीं है, ये चैनल है, सारा देश है। एंड ऑन दैट नोट I want to thank everyone tonight because Rahul's words go deep and that's the voice of the Indian citizen speaking back. I hope to see you soon on the News Hour tonight. It's a privilege bringing the news to you. Good night and goodbye.